Black Basta is a ransomware operator and ransomware as a service criminal enterprise that first emerged in early 2022 and immediately became one of the most active ransomware as a service threat actors in the world. It has quickly gained notoriety for its aggressive tactics and high profile attacks on various industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The rise of ransomware over the past few years is an ever growing problem that has quickly become an extremely lucrative criminal enterprise. Targeted organizations often believe that paying the ransom is the most cost effective way to get their data back. And unfortunately, this may also be the reality. Black Basta affiliates have targeted over 500 private industry and critical infrastructure entities, including healthcare organizations in North America, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand, in highly targeted attacks rather than employing a spray and pray approach. The group's ransom tactics use a double extortion tactic, encrypting their victims' critical data and vital servers and threatening to publish sensitive data on the group's public leak site. This means the attackers not only encrypt the victim's data but also steal it, threatening to publish the stolen information if the ransom is not paid. Recently, the healthcare sector cyber threat made headlines again with the Black Basta ransomware attack on Assassin Healthcare IT systems. Recently, the FBI and Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency CISA issued a joint advisory with the Department of Health and Human Services and MSISAC to warn about the Black Basta ransomware. Victims typically find a ransom note after the encryption process is complete, directing them to a Tor based payment site. The note includes details about the encryption, instructions for contacting the attackers, and threats about the consequences of non payment. Experts say Black Basta uses robust encryption algorithms to ensure that decryption without the attacker's key is practically impossible. This increases the likelihood that victims will consider paying the ransom to restore their data. Let's look into today's headlines. Google announces new AI powered updates for brand advertisements. Google has launched new artificial intelligence tools to help merchants better market brands and products. The tools for retailers include a new profile option for e commerce brands, generative AI features for more effective product imagery, and new immersive ad formats. Following the new update, advertisers will soon be able to enhance their shopping ads with immersive visuals, including virtual try on and AI generated 3D spinning ads. Intel's Lunar Lake processors to power a new era of AI PCs. Heralding a new era of AI PCs capable of running Microsoft's Copilot Plus experiences, Intel has announced that its upcoming Lunar Lake processors will power over 80 new laptop designs from over 20 manufacturers. Lunar Lake will boast of a threefold increase in AI performance compared to its predecessors. With a powerful natural processing unit exceeding 40 tera operations per second, Lunar Lake will deliver the experience needed to run Copilot Plus features like Recall seamlessly. Microsoft Edge announces real time AI translation for YouTube and LinkedIn. Microsoft Edge will be introducing real time translation and dubbing for videos on platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Coursera. The AI powered feature was announced during the 2024 Build event and it will translate spoken content live, offering both dubbing and subtitles. Currently, the feature supports translations from Spanish to English and English to German, Hindi, Italian, Russian, and Spanish. Additionally, Edge will support real time translation for videos on various news sites. Apple's latest iOS update to address the issue of deleted photos reappearing. To address the rare issue of reappearance of the deleted photos after updating the iPhones to 17.5, Apple has released iOS 17.5.1 and iPadOS 17.5.1 software update. Despite the fix, there are still concerns about privacy and whether or not any of the deleted photos are actually gone. Qualcomm announces development for Copilot Plus PCs with Snapdragon Dev Kit for Windows. Qualcomm Technologies, in collaboration with Microsoft, has announced the Snapdragon Dev Kit for Windows, a compact form factor PC powered by Snapdragon X Elite and specifically designed for developers creating or optimizing apps and experiences for the next generation of AI PCs. With a wide range of Snapdragon X series powered laptops hitting shelves soon, developers will be enabled to create fully optimized software and AI experiences. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.